Hello viewers, today we will study about triangles. आप सब जानते होंगे कि ट्रायंगल ज्योमेट्री में उस आकृति को कहते हैं जिसमें तीन साइड्स होती हैं। तीन साइड से बनी इस तरह की फिगर हम ट्रायंगल कहलाती है। इसे हम ट्रायंगल कहते हैं। ए बी सी ट्रायंगल्स में there are three sides, three angles. Sides are AB, AC and BC. And angles are angle ABC, angle ACB and angle BAC. Now हम पढ़ेंगे कि ट्रायंगल कितने तरह के होते हैं। हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स आर देयर। ट्रायंगल्स को स्टडी करने के लिए, टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल स्टडी करने के लिए हम दो बेसिस रखते हैं। एक है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइड्स और दूसरा है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एंगल्स। साइड्स के बेस पे हम ट्रायंगल्स को तीन तरह के ट्रायंगल्स होते हैं। देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइड्स। वन इज isosceles triangle, ट्रायंगल्स को हम इस तरह से भी रिप्रेजेंट कर देते हैं। Isosceles triangles are those triangles in which the two sides are equal. A, B and C. This is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB and BC, AB and AC are equal. AB is equal to AC. This type of triangle is called isosceles triangle, in which two sides are equal. And second type of triangle on the basis of side is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. In this, all the three sides of the triangle are equal. This is ABC, triangle ABC. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. This is called equilateral triangle. All the three sides are equal. And third type of triangle is scalene triangle. In this type of triangle, no two sides are equal. All the three sides are of different length. A, B, C, triangle ABC. AB is not equal to AC, which is not equal to BC. All the three sides are of different lengths. So, viewers, there are three types of triangles on the basis of sides, length of sides. And on the basis of angles, again we have three types of triangles. One is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is one in which one of the angle in the triangle is 90 degree. Here in this triangle ABC, we see that angle B is equal to 90 degree. This is called right angle triangle. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. All right angle. This type of triangle is called right angle triangle. Second type of triangle is acute triangle, in which acute angle triangle in which all the three angles are acute, means all the three angles are less than 90 degree. They are acute. In this triangle ABC, angle A is less than 90 degree, angle B is less than 90 degree, angle C is less than 90 degree. And third type of triangle in this category on the basis of angle, it is obtuse triangle. In obtuse triangle, one of the angle is obtuse, means that is greater than 90 degree. And figure wise, if we see that this will be like this: A, B, and C. ABC. Triangle ABC is obtuse triangle in which angle ABC is greater than 90 degree. This angle is greater than 90 degree. So these are the types of triangles which is categorized on the basis of sides and on the basis of angles. Now we look at the properties of these triangles. First of all, we will consider isosceles triangles. In isosceles triangles, we have studied that two sides are equal. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC, and there is one more property, that the angles opposite to these sides are also equal. Means angle opposite to AB is angle C, and angle opposite to AC is angle B. So these are also equal. Means angle B is equal to angle C. This is also the property of an isosceles triangle. So there are two properties of isosceles triangle, that two sides are equal and the angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. Now we come on to the property, one more property of equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the three angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, and that is equal to, they are equal to 60 degree each. So this is the property of equilateral triangle. All the three angles, all the three sides are equal, all the three angles are equal, and all the three angles are equal to 60 degree. Because you know that sum total of all the three angles in a triangle is 180 degree, and when all the three angles are equal, then one angle will be 180 by 3 is equal to 60 degree. And now we have studied the types of triangles and types of triangles on the basis of sides and on the basis of angles. Now we will study what are the angles in a triangle. See, this is a triangle. A, B, C. There are three angles in a triangle which we have studied. Three angles in a triangle. These are called interior angles. All the three. These angles, three angles, they are called interior angles. And what are exterior angles of a triangle? Exterior angles are, this is exterior angle, this is exterior angle, and this is exterior. These three angles are exterior angles. And this angle is exterior angle. Now, for the exam point of view, there are two theorems which we will study. इसमें पहली थ्योरम है कि फर्स्ट है सम टोटल ऑफ थ्री एंगल्स ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल is 180 degree. A, B, C. In all the three angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. ये हम we will just prove it. And second is the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum total of its opposite interior angles A, B, C, D. So this angle, let us call it angle C. This is equal to this angle 1 plus angle 2. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles of the triangle. This is the second theorem. So these two theorems, I will prove these theorems and shall do some of the questions based on these theorems in our next video. So friends, we studied the types of triangles, the properties of triangles, sum total of angles, relation of sides in different types of triangle in this video. And in next video, we shall prove these two theorems and shall do some of the questions based on these two theorems, because for exam point of view, these two theorems are very important and they are often asked in the examination. So thank you.